Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another review. Today's review, I'll be reviewing this beautiful, gorgeous honey right here. This, and I say gorgeous because look at the color. Y'all see this color? Y'all see this? Don't act like y'all don't see. Y'all don't see. Anyway, let's go ahead and check me out. Check me out. Watch me install this unit, and then come back, and then we're gonna talk about everything about this bad boy joint right here. Let's go. unit that I currently have on is by Sensational in the HD Lace Swiss Lace Wig Cloud 9. Before we get into the specs about the video, I just want to say thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this beautiful honey right here. And thank you for trusting me in reviewing this unit to my very best or honest opinion that I have. Now let's go. So, specs. Or cap construction. Yeah, I'm going to call it scalp construction. So, this unit has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, and adjustable straps. I have Zelia in the color Flamboyage Auburn. So this is Zelia. Some more about Zelia. She's a synthetic hair. She has lace front wig. Her length is medium. Her length is long. I don't know what you talk about. Her length is long, okay? She has a 13 by 6 ear to ear, 6-inch deep hand-tied lace, natural yaki texture that gives volume. It comes with a trendy flamboyage and money piece colors. HD lace width for flawless blending. This wig is so bomb. Y'all, those colors are yeah. Beginner friendly, yes. Beginner friendly, not so much. Flyaways, a lot, but not as many as what's her name, Sensational Butter Lace 7. Not as much as that. And this unit does remind me of Sensational Butter Lace in a sense. That's other thing, it tangles in the nape area, but it's not as bad as one would think. It's not that bad. It's not, but it does tangle right here, right here, right here, right here. So if this is a unit that you want to wear for a week, maybe even 2-3 days consistently, you may want to just keep brushing or running your fingers through it so it does detangle. See what I'm talking about? But it's not as bad as one would think, because I would think a joint this unit would be tingling left, right, and center, honey, and it's just tingling center. Okay, so what else? This unit is long, and you know Auntie don't like long hair, but I like this one. And I like it because of the color. Do you see this? Do you see this color, baby? Do you see this color? I'm loving this color. So now that I've talked about the unit, the flyaways being the only downfall, because it is beginner friendly, not too much beginner friendly, but you know, if you've cut lace before and you feel comfortable doing it, you should be okay. Easy smeezy. But it's right here, you might need a hot comb or a flat iron, or just something to take the hump down. You might even use some styling wax, that might also help. But yeah, I love this unit. I do, because I think the color makes up for it being so long and me not liking long hair, but that's a personal preference. I think because I don't know why I don't like long hair. I've just never been a fan of long hair. But this one, I'm loving it. Okay, I am loving this right here. Okay, love it, huh? It just makes me look so glam, so Christmassy. I'm loving this joint. Yeah. Oh, it does shed. I forgot to let you know. Minor details though. Minor details. It does shed, not to mention. But yeah. So overall, what would I give this unit? A 9.5. I'll take out 5.5 points for the shedding, the itsy bitsy bit of tangling, and the tiny bit of flyaways. But other than that, this is a great unit. It does come in other colors. And again, this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can find anything that I didn't say. It has undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protected style, no leave out necessary, pre-pluck, natural density, 13 by 6 ear to ear, 6-inch deep hand tied right here. And she does have what is it called, free part, where you could part her any which way you want. So I could have done this way, I could have done this way, I could have done down the middle. So it's just overall a gorgeous unit. And it does remind me again of Sensational Butter Lace 7, and I will leave a link to that review so you guys can compare the two and see what I thought about this unit and what color I got, so you can compare the two. If one is not available and you prefer to get the other one, at least you have the options to buy my review. So yeah, what do you guys think about this unit? Do you think this is something that looks good on me? Am I trying too hard, or what? Do you like the color? Do you like the length? Knowing that I don't like the length, but I can make this one work. Okay, I can make it work. If I can make it work, you can make it work. So yeah, so let me know down in the comment section what you think. If you just want to leave me a hey, you look great, Auntie TT, I'm here for it. But if you got the interview, you're the real MVP. Thank you for watching this video, and on your way out, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a like and a comment. And as a reminder, I will leave all the links down in the description, so you can go ahead and purchase this unit and all the other products that I use to get this unit to look like this. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next week. Bye guys.